Hello, my name is Will Jones. I'm a technical support engineer with Danfoss. In today's video, I will be demonstrating how to create a conversion factor for a temperature sensor for the AKSM800A system manager using the latest available StoreView Web Application. Why will we need to do this? Well, the AKSM800A allows for the use of multiple pre-configured sensor types that can be chosen from a drop-down menu. For sensor inputs that are not pre-configured, have a linear response, AKSM800A allows for a custom conversion. This is known as a conversion factor. Conversion factors can be used for a multitude of sensor types depending on the user's needs. Outputs can be for temperature, pressure, parts per million, voltage, or different units of measurement. Let's get started. Once you have the app open, enter your credentials and select the log prompt. We'll do that now. The current sensor that we have available is not pre-configured in our menu and will be used to monitor a self-contained freezer that is only open for the holiday. The sensor available has an output of 0 to 10 volts. After our login, we'll start by using the menu. From the menu box, we'll select the configuration icon. From the menu on the left, we will select control. Next, we will select miscellaneous. Then from the top, we'll scroll over and select conversion factors. Currently, we have none, so the first step will be to change this 0 to a 1. After you make your change, hit enter. And when you make your change, make sure you see the check mark to show you that the change has been taken. Okay, next we want to name the conversion. I'm going to call it holiday. Our units for this conversion will be Fahrenheit. This is what we want to output our units in. Our current sensor's inputs are 0 volts to 10 volts. And we want our temperature range to be from -30 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that we have set up our conversion factor, we'll go to the Sensors tab. We're going to select the sensor assigned to this temporary holiday case. Once we select the appropriate sensor, we're going to change the sensor type. And this type is going to be our conversion factor. And it's going to be as we named it from the list. Select holiday, observe your check. And from this point, this completes our demonstration for how to create a conversion factor for AKSM 800A System Manager. Please visit the Danfoss Supermarket Library for your video. Have a great day.